So this is my review of Contemporary Abstract Algebra by Joseph Gallion. Now this is the 5th edition and it was published around 2002, but I'm pretty sure there's newer editions like the 9th edition today. Now as far as the table of contents goes, this is very straightforward, and one thing I really like about this book is how well organized it is. And so basically this book has 5 main parts to it, the first being integers and equivalence relations. And so this is just a preliminary section or precursor to everything else that comes. And this is followed by groups, rings, and fields. And then finally there is a section, or section 5 is going to be on special topics. And there's a selected answer key for some of the problems at the back of the book. Now the author kind of starts off with a preface talking about who this book is actually intended for. And then once you read that, then you can go on to the actual section of the book, starting with part 1, obviously. Now, the lecture portion of the book is very similar to pretty much any other math textbook. There's a lecture, there's examples and definitions, but what separates this book from a lot of other books is the amount of exercises that are given. So in this section here, chapter 5, permutation groups, there's not just 5 or 10 questions, there's in fact 50 plus different exercises for you to go through, and also computer exercises, and there's other supplementary exercises as well. So that's one thing I really like about this book, in addition to how well it's organized. This book also has a great amount of images and figures to further help you understand what you're focusing on in this book. And then here's the answer key. So as you can see, a select number of answers for some of the problems. Now overall, this book is very readable, and I feel like the author actually does a great job of making this book actually interesting and worth reading. Now keep in mind that since this is a abstract algebra or modern algebra book, it's not an 8th grade algebra book, so definitely don't read this if you're in 8th grade and trying to take algebra just at the regular high school or middle school level. But I'll definitely recommend this book for anyone who's in college, typically like at the junior or senior level when they're ready to take modern or abstract algebra. Definitely check out this book. So that's it for the review. If you have any questions about the book, please let me know. Thank you for watching.